Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be installing the lip on my Mazda. Just waiting for my boy to come through. He's bringing the ramps. So we're gonna put the car up on the ramps and then the lip is gonna go on. Stay tuned. Clutch. Alright, let's grab this shit. Everybody say what up to Gobi.
What up?
Alright, let's go guys. And there's the lip. The car is up on the ramps. So we're just gonna take out this screw over here. It's already aligned with the lip. So we're gonna put each side in and then go on from there. So this is the first hole. That's gonna be aligned over there. Gobi's taking out the first screw. There we go, it's a start.